you fixing the dishwasher? Yep, working hard?
Yeah, I know. I had the same problem.
Maybe you need a different tool.
Yeah, just try from the top.
Do you need a different tool? Dad, aren't you glad you have such a good little helper?
Yeah, no, I have to do all this by myself.
Yeah, you fixing the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Give me a high five.